good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For those who do, my name is Lasha. Today, we're here for Chainsaw Man, episode 6. And last we left off, they're in some kind of... They're in an apartment searching for the gun devil. However, something weird took place. They're in the hallways, and now they're stuck in these loops. They keep going to the 8th. They're stuck in the 8th floor. They go upstairs, reappear back on the same stairs. They go down, reappear going down. Know what I mean? And they're trying to figure out what's going on. We got introduced to another girl. I think her name is Aki, or was that the other dude that says Ko? The girl with the eye patch that gave away her eye to do the ghost arm for that one thing contract that she got, and that's about it. So this is intriguing, and we're gonna keep going from here. That being said, we're gonna dive right on in. Yeah. So what type of genjutsu is this called? Let's run it up now. So y'all can't just like break down doors? So y'all somewhere else. That's crazy. Wow. That's rough. That's horrible. I mean, that's a good way to look at it. Yeah. Carefree as anything, and he's out. Are you angry or happy for him? I don't know.
新井君も最初こそアキ君を手伝ってたんだけど、今は状況に怖がって部屋に閉じこもってる。
Wow.
小紅ちゃんはおかしくなってトイレの水を飲もうとしたから気絶させて。
Yeah.
それで魔人ちゃんなんだけど。
Powers just chilling.
わしは暇だからノーベル賞を考えておった。ノーベル賞を発明すれば人間はわしにひれ伏すじゃろうて。
She's just her. Oh, wait, what? She hallucinating? The heck? Oh, okay, good. I'm like, what? Oh, the sun's coming out. Okay. Homegirl tried to drink toilet water. Wow.
そういや師匠が言ってたな。悪魔が恐れるデビルハンターは強いやつでも勇敢なやつでもないって。頭のネジがぶっ飛んでるやつだって。だからアキ君は長生きできそう。そりゃ嫌味か。いらないならもらうぞ。一本あげる。
Trying to get this man to a smoking addiction? And then you just got addicted. Yeah.
これ最後の一本。
じゃあそれください。
しょうがないな。
Dang, that close? Y'all.
キスだずるい関節キスだ黙れ
私に食わせそうしたら他のデビルハンターは全員無事に外へ返す
That is mad disgusting. Oh, wow. And the other two aren't even sane. Yeah? Knocked her out again. Wow.
私のゴーストでやるか
Ooh, okay. This will be quick. Okay. It attacked and got bigger?
「どうせ俺を殺しても外には出さねえくせによ」
それはないよ
It's a contract.
だから契約は受けない
じゃあ
Wow.
わしは殺す派じゃ
Oh my gosh, power.
ノーベル賞を思いついても外に出られなければ発表できない
Oh,
から
wow.
貴様ら全部食べたのか
わしじゃないデンジが食べておった
Yeah, you gonna lie?
バレる嘘
分かっちゃった私分かっちゃった
Oh, not you.
その魔人の力で8階から出られないんだ絶対そうだ違うが
落ち着けコメリちゃんこいつは血の魔人で
魔人をかばうの私たちデビルハンターなのに新井君は悪魔の仲間なんだスパイだったんだ酸っぱいじゃ
先輩
Wow. That's... Why is the floor tilting? Wait, this is the stomach, right?
使ういいですよね姫野先輩姫野先輩
Wow.
おいあんた何してんだ
その刀を使えば外には出られるだろうけど使うと契約でアキ君の寿命がかなり減るの
Wow.
アキ君はまだやらなきゃいけないことがたくさん
Wow, you care about him that much.
ごめんねデンジ君
Yeah. This is horrible. He stood in front of the blade. Now if he dies for something so stupid like this, I'm gonna be livid. I promise you I will.
確かにそいつは刺されても仕方のない胸くその悪い野郎だが銃の悪魔を殺そうとしている俺一人じゃ銃の悪魔を殺せないんだ
He
奴
knows.
を殺すには立ち向かう気がああはいはいじゃあ食われてやらでも俺も抵抗すっからよもし俺が悪魔をぶっ殺すようなことがあったら銃 まだ忘れてねえからな。
勝算段があるのか。
クソ痛えけどチェーンソーになる。
チェーンソー。
あの悪魔なんだか知らねえが俺のチェーンソーにビビってやがる。だから自分じゃ手出せなくててめえらに俺を殺すよう言ってんだ。
If you're right, it's gonna be fire.
あの悪魔攻撃を受けた時に痛いって言ってやがった。だったらよあいつが死にたくなるまで痛めつけて自殺させりゃいい。
悪魔みたいな発想じゃな。
てめえ俺をかばいやがって。
Ooh, neither can I.
変なことすんじゃねえよクソが。俺は誰かに借りつくんのもううんざりなんだよ。外出れたら貸し借りなしだからな。
Yeah, did he succeed? Are you serious, man? Annoying behind plot, bro. That's how y'all ended the episode, bro? Whack. I'm so lit with that. So you mean to tell me the only progression we got from that episode was him simply finding out that the dude that they chopped in half, skull in half, is still alive? And they just offered Denji? That's the only plot progression? That's it? I wanted to see him create havoc. No, we can't get that. Why? Plot. That's wild to me. Because the thing is, I was like, his heart. Where's the heart? I think the heart is in itself, if anything. And they have to kill it at its core. I hope that's the case. Otherwise, it's going to look very ugly in the next episode. Just my opinion. Anywho, that was pretty fire, though. The level of intensity, because people being... what's that word? Suffocation, not suffocation. People, I have castrobia, whatever that word is, when there's too many people inside a building and they feel closed up in the environment, or a salute area, whatever that word is. Claustrophobic, there we go. Claustrophobic, something like that. That word, I'm like, I can understand why they're getting panicked, but two of them were already scary to begin with. But the fact that Aki, homegirl, was starting to get worried, I was like, okay. It's starting to get real, and it's only because of Aki. Aki, respect, man. Respect. I thought he really didn't like Denji. He still probably doesn't like Denji, but he has some form of respect for him. Homegirl, she got feelings for him. It's hard to ignore. You know what I mean? Or a strong admiration for this man. But anyway, those are my 2 cents. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below. Until we meet again, y'all stay safe and be blessed. Peace.